Today we have a 2007 Chevy Impala. We're replacing the blower motor and the resistor. So let's get to the passenger side and get started. So over here on the passenger side, we're gonna go under the glove box. We're gonna take off this cover here. It's gonna be held in by three, little plastic fasteners, 1, 2, and 3. Pretty much just get a little thing to get it off. These have clips, just pull this top portion off. It'll just come right out, pull it down. And then the light will be right here. You just twist it out. It'll come out, just throw it to the side. So now that we're in here, you will see the blower motor as well as the resistor back there where it's plugged into. Now all this is held in by like a 5.5, so we're gonna go ahead and just unplug everything. Since I'm replacing this, I'll go ahead and unplug this too. Oh, that one wants to be a piss, okay. Anyways, so unplug all that, and then we're gonna use a 5.5. I believe it's a 5.5. We're gonna go ahead and remove 3 screws here, and this should pop out, as well as one right there for the resistor, and then we can get everything out and swapped out. Okay guys, so I have the blower motor removed. Just falls right out once you remove those 3 5.5mm bolts. Now the resistor here, for some odd reason, it's riveted with plastic rivets here, so I'm going to break that apart. I even went around to see if there's any other videos, which yeah, there's another video of people doing this, and for some odd reason they don't have rivets, so I guess this one does. If you do, just kind of break it up. I'm working on breaking it apart right now so I can get this dropped, and then we can pop in the new resistor and the new blower motor. All right, popped off the rivets, so it came out great. And then we're gonna go ahead and slide the new one in, and then just bolt that down real quick, and then do the blower motor. All right, resistor's in. Got the blower motor here. We're gonna do it facing the same direction. Just slide it in and put the 5mm bolts back in, and we'll close it up. Okay guys, blower motor's installed. Just go ahead and plug it up. Plugged it in, and then now we're just gonna throw the cover back on. So cover here, gonna twist this back in here. Oh, sorry. Bad camera angles today. So pretty much you're just gonna, sorry, this is not my day-to-day when using one hand. And then we'll just twist it in like so. Pop it on, and we'll put those little plastic clips back on, and we are done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.